Hi everyone, welcome to Gadgets 360. Now a little while ago we unboxed and showed you the new iPhone 12. Today it's time to look at the smaller and slightly more affordable iPhone 12 mini. Now a lot of people have wanted a powerful yet not an oversized flagship quality phone, and this might just be the answer you're looking for. So we're going to take a quick look inside the box and also compare the size of this phone to a few other popular models. Do stay tuned for that, but first please do remember to subscribe to the Gadgets 360 channel and hit the bell icon so you know whenever we post a new video. So as you can see over here, we have the iPhone 12 mini still in its box with its plastic seal, and here's the box of the iPhone 12, which we've already had a first look at. That's the iPhone 12 over there. We have the iPhone SE 2020 and the original iPhone SE, which is one of the smaller phones that Apple has produced recently. So first let's look at the box itself and compare the sizes of these two. So you can already see that there's going to be quite a significant difference between them. So putting that aside, here is the iPhone 12 mini in red. We already know that Apple does not include chargers or headphones in its boxes anymore, so this should be pretty quick. As you can see, power adapter and headphones sold separately. So let's pull this plastic off. And here we have it right on top, the brand new iPhone 12 mini. So there we can see this red is really very bright. It's quite small and comfortable to hold. So of course the first thing you want to see are size comparisons. Let's get right to it. Starting with the iPhone 12, here's a good idea of how they stack up against each other. Here are all of them together now. That is how they stack up. So now let's get back to the box of the iPhone 12 mini. Here we can see a lightning cable with a USB Type-C port on the other end. So of course you will need your own USB Type-C charger, though Apple will happily sell you one. We have a little bit of paperwork here, a single Apple sticker, the SIM eject pin, and this appears to be an extra card talking about Apple's partnership with Product Red, which will not be in the box if you choose any of the other colors. And that's really all there is for the box contents. Now let's quickly go through the setup process for the iPhone 12 mini and check out its software. So there it is, the new compact iPhone 12 mini running iOS 14.1 straight out of the box. So coming to specifications, the iPhone 12 mini is nearly identical to the iPhone 12. There are a few small subtle differences. Of course, the screen size is the main one. We have a 5.4-inch panel versus 6.1 inches. However, this is exactly the same Super Retina XDR OLED screen. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 as opposed to 1170 by 2532 on its larger sibling. And this is also an OLED panel that can get up to 1200 nits in brightness. We have the same Apple A14 Bionic processor, the same cameras, which is 12 megapixel wide and ultra wide cameras at the back, and another 12 megapixel front camera with, of course, the big notch and the Face ID array. You can also record 4K 60 FPS video and HDR Dolby Vision video with the rear cameras, which is pretty interesting. The frame is made of what Apple calls aerospace-grade aluminum. This phone is available in the Product Red color as well as blue, green, white, and black. Apple has used a new material that it developed and is calling ceramic shield on the front, which it claims is much more resilient to damage than before, and there is glass on the rear as well. You do get wireless charging and support for Apple's new MagSafe magnetic ecosystem of accessories, and the body is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. You have the power button on this side, which doubles up as a Siri shortcut. You have the volume controls and a mute switch here, and you have a SIM tray over here, which accepts a single nano SIM, but you can use an eSIM if you need a second line. Despite being a small phone, this is a rather premium model. Now prices start at 69,900 rupees with 64 GB of storage and go up to 74,900 rupees with 128 GB of storage and 84,900 rupees with 256 GB of storage. So that was the new iPhone 12 mini. Do let us know in the comment section, what do you think of it? Is this the perfect size smartphone that you've been waiting for, or is it still just too expensive? Thanks for watching, and do stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for our full review coming up very soon.